why they got everything going now. They got a bigger generator.
They got me.
Yeah. They were starting to put everything out in the frozen stuff. Oh, bitch. I caught the mosquito and threw it in my drink.
Our water tower.
Done. Oh. There's our water tower.
Folks still there.
Take it out the front this time. Holy shit, I can't go that way.
Go straight and okay. Bar's open.
Of course.
Fuck, can't go that way either. Can't. Can't go that way.
Does that road go?
I think so. Oh, we're gonna start taking everything out of the fucking house.
How?
Let's turn it all the way around.
You can go in circles. You know that? How will you even get over here? Just take a look. Oh my god.
Can't go that way either. Can you go figure?
Probably not a good idea
Well, then why are you gonna do it?
because it looks like fun.
Until our car don't work no more. That's a lot of water, Jason.
Oh, it stinks.
We're not gonna be able to go through all that.
Yeah. It's already almost up to what we call it right here.
Hear the waves. Oh my god.
And what is it? 7 days passed since Harvey hit?
There goes a duck.
Oh shit, water duck. Alright, put your seatbelt on.